me. Talk.
This is the circuit I designed to control the power of my car computer system. This represents the battery from the car, and this green light represents the switching of the power for the power supply, and this red light represents the switching of the power for the CPU. This green wire is the remote wire. So when it's triggered, the circuit turns on the power supply, turns on the CPU. When the remote wire is removed or the radio is turned off, it disables the CPU, sends a shutdown signal, and then it waits for 50 seconds, and it actually shuts down the power supply, and then it shuts off the circuit itself, disconnecting it from the battery. So that way it doesn't have any excess current draw, which would kill my battery if I left it on. It uses a microprocessor with 28 outputs. It uses 3 other relays besides the main power switching relay to control the power flow and to act as switch presses since they're push buttons. And that's pretty much it. It's not horribly complicated, but other people will not probably understand what I'm talking about. So, I did get a lot of feedback from the input line back into the input itself, so it kept thinking it was still on because it was holding that relay open. So I just used a diode to block the current flow back from it, and then I grounded it because it works that way for some reason. There goes the power supply, and then about 5 seconds later it's going to shut itself off. You just watch it, just to make sure everything gets shut down properly. There it goes. And that's that.